Hello everyone, this is a review of the customer number 1183. This is the Acer laptop Aspirant N20C5. So the problem was the broken hinge on the screen. So we just fixed it for customer on the left side, and now it's able to fold up and down perfectly. So this case we did not change the entire body because it would cost a lot to change entire body. So we just fix it and glue it to make it stable. And yeah, if you have any question about this one, feel free to contact us at this IT service. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.